K5 is a very heavy highway and heavy construction company here in Chicagoland. We've worked with Caterpillar Rebuild program for a very long time. We've had full rebuilds, partial rebuilds, to purchasing rebuild parts, reman parts, and we really focus on that because we see the benefit.
Caterpillar Certified Rebuilds stand out in the marketplace due to the fact that all critical engineering updates are performed.
Some key components that get upgraded are engine, transmission, hydraulic system. Comes in worn out, tired, and goes out. Closest thing you're going to get to brand new again.
When we make a decision to purchase a new piece of equipment, we always take into consideration, can we rebuild it? And it's very good communication. They let us know what point it's at, it came in on schedule, and it was ready when they told us it would be.
You're going to have a lower cost, you're going to have usually a quicker turnaround time than getting new. And when we weighed all of our options out on the table when purchasing new versus the reman, we really gravitated towards the reman because of that low purchasing price and the quick turnaround time.
The key benefits that we offer that other companies can't are the Caterpillar updates and offering product link for the machine so the customer can view where and when his machine is working right from his phone. So customers really appreciate that.
We deal primarily with their Mokena location, and the staff there has been great, keeping us in touch with the processes and the timing of equipment.
Warranties on Cat rebuild equipment is equivalent or better than a new piece of Cat equipment. In most cases, we register the CPTs with a 3-year 5,000 hour warranty, but you can modify that 2-year 6, 3-year 10, whatever's best for the customer.
The biggest thing we count on Althofer for is the Cat product and the service of that product.
You're investing in a piece of equipment that is people's livelihood. That is what keeps our company going and gets moving. To have a dealer like Althofer to partner with, and that's a very strong word, partner.
I just think the rebuild option for the customer is something that competitors can't offer because the Caterpillar equipment is built to be rebuilt.
We count on Althofer to be a member of our team, that they're here to help us get the job done and keep moving forward.